Hey y'all, so welcome back to Xclusivet, where everything is exclusive. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, hey friends. So today we are doing a 22-month lock update, but before I get into my lock update, I do want to give a special shout out to all my 3,996 subscribers because I'm almost to 4K subscribers. I started my YouTube channel 2 years ago, and I just feel like my channel has grown so much since the day that I started, and I really do appreciate all of my subscribers because one thing about y'all gonna come through for me. The last video I uploaded, y'all were just so nice, and I do want to say that I appreciate every comment that y'all said. Even though I wasn't able to reply back to them, I read them, and I just want y'all to know that I appreciate them. Y'all are just like the best little lock community I have over here on my channel, and I just wanted to say that. So this year I'm trying to hit 10K subscribers, and I'm super excited about that because I feel like my channel is growing. It might be growing a little slower than others, but it is growing. Like, I'm excited about it. I am claiming it. I am manifesting it. I'm going to hit 10K subscribers by the end of this year. Just watch. I just know it. And if I don't, it's okay. I'm gonna get it next year. But this year, I just know I'm gonna get it. So I am 22 months logged, and I decided to do a little style for y'all because I feel like I don't ever like style my locks when I come up on here. So my hair is already styled, washed, retwisted, because I originally wanted to do a retwist with me video with like Q&As and stuff, but I don't know, it was a lot. I was trying to do too much, and I just really didn't like how it turned out. But I am going to add some clips on here of me retwisting and washing my hair and stuff. So I'm going to do a 360 here and show y'all how my hair was looking before I retwisted. So this is my first retwist of the year. The last time I retwisted my hair was December 21st of 2023. So that's about like 8 weeks, and I am very pleased with the first retwist of the year. I feel like I just had to do a 2-strand twist because I feel like I haven't done it in a while, and I just wanted to compare the last time I did it. And I'm gonna put a little comparison video up here for y'all so y'all can see how much my hair has grown. But I used to have a hard time trying to style my 2-strand twist, but now I feel like I can do that. Like, they're at a good length. I can style them now. I don't know. Yeah, they was just a little awkward. So in the month of December, y'all, I decided to wear this cute little sweater. It was tan, it was fuzzy, and I was just like, okay, this is cute. And I went and got it at Ross because Ross is probably like one of my favorite stores. And it felt so good, and it was so soft. And I was like, okay, not thinking, you know, my hair is kind of touching my shoulders now, that I would get lint in my locks, y'all. I should have known better when I saw that lint on my pants. Like, it was just lint everywhere. I was just like, dang, I'm gonna have this lint all up in my locks. I did have lint, and I picked the majority of it out, but every now and then I still catch a little bit in like the back 2 rows that I have, and it's so annoying. And I see why like people get so irritated with lint, because it just does not budge. Like, you think you got it, but it's still in there. And I honestly don't know what I would do if I ever came to a point where I just had like extremely bad lint, because it would drive me absolutely crazy. But for the most part, I got most of the lint out. That sweater's in the Goodwill bag. I'm not messing with it. I'm not messing with no sweaters, no fuzzy stuff. Anything that looks like it can make lint, I'm not messing with it. It feels a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Look how long they are. So I'm using Dr. Bronner's because I ran out of my Sulfur 8. So this is just gonna have to do. They didn't have any at Walmart. And I like the way this makes my locks feel. I have a little bit of sulfur 8, so I'm gonna try to see if I can use that one. The only thing I don't like about the Dr. Bronners is that it doesn't like lather up really good. I ended up washing my hair. Unfortunately, I had to switch shampoos. I ended up using the Dr. Bronners because I could not find the sulfur 8. I went to Walmart and that's usually where I get it, and they didn't have any sulfur 8. So I was just like, okay, it's been about like 6 or 7 weeks since I washed my hair. And I was like, I need to wash my hair. I don't have no shampoo at the house, so I went with the Dr. Bronners, and I really do like it because it makes my locks like super, I don't even know, like it just feels so soft after I wash my hair with the Dr. Bronners. I use the peppermint one, the Dr. Bronners peppermint one. I just use it over my whole body because I really do like the aroma that I get in the shower from it. But I do love using it on my hair, and I think I might switch. I used it a while back and then I started using sulfur 8, but I think I might start using the Dr. Bronners a little bit more. The only thing about the Dr. Bronners is that it doesn't give me that good lather that I'm looking for when I'm washing my hair. Like, I want to feel like my scalp is getting clean. Like, I want to feel the suds on my locks. Like, I just want that really deep, cleansing, bubbly hair wash, if you know what I mean. And Dr. Bronners really doesn't give me that. But I like everything else about the soap, so I do think that I'm gonna plan on using it. So now I'm just gonna add a couple of clips of me attempting to retwist my hair and make this retwist with me video. I'm just gonna add a couple clips in here to show y'all. I was over here talking and wasn't even recording. So in the past, when I retwisted my hair, I would retwist my hair and then sit under the dryer and then come back and then do a 2-strand twist. So in the future, I do think that to save more time, even though I love to see my length like straight out of a retwist, but to save more time, I think I'm going to retwist my hair and do a 2-strand twist just to save time, because it just took a long time to wash and retwist, sit on the dryer, do a 2-strand twist, and then like go to bed. Like, it just took a long time, and I feel like I could cut some steps out if I just retwist my hair and then 2-strand twist it. So that is my plan moving forward. So I am going to do a 2-year loc celebration. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know. Do y'all have any suggestions, like any videos y'all want to see? Like, do y'all want to see from like day 1 to now, or do y'all like, I don't know, like what do y'all want to see? But But I do feel like I should do a very special tribute to my loc journey, because I say this all the time. I never thought I was going to see 2 years of being loc, because I never even made it past 1 year with any of my other loc journeys. But I'm here and I made it to 2 years. We're 2 months away and we're about to be 2 years locked. And I know some of y'all aren't even that far behind from me, and we are about to be 2 years locked out here. Like, I cannot believe it. And like, my hair has grown so much, and I know y'all's hairs probably has grown so much, and I just really, I don't know, I'm just really excited to celebrate this moment in my loc journey. Also, do y'all still want like loc update videos after 2 years? I'm thinking about not doing them anymore, because it's just like, what is there to update y'all on? Like, my hair has grown, my hair has locked. Like, I just feel like it's not really much to update y'all on. Of course, if something changes, I'll definitely let y'all know, but I don't know, unless I just want to see like my face on here or something. But I don't know. Do y'all still want loc update videos? Let me know. But I want to do a 360 of my 2-strand twist that I have in my hair, so y'all can see what my hair is looking like. I don't know when I'm gonna take these out. Honestly, y'all, I kind of want to take them out right now, but I'm gonna keep them in because they only been in for like, what? They only been in for like a week. So yeah, I think I should keep them in. But let me do a 360. I love them. I've been styling them since they are long enough to style now, but I like the 2-strand twist because it gives me like the thick girl locks, like the girls with the thick locks. It's giving thick locks, and I can dabble in that a little bit, but I don't want to have thick locks just because I do have fine hair. I don't tuck my ends in when I do my 2-strand twist. I know some people do, maybe for like long-term reasons, but I don't do that because I like to have every little centimeter of hair when it comes to my length. So this is the end of my video, and it's also my video for the week because I am trying to upload at least once a week. So I feel like I've been on a roll. I know I missed a couple weeks, but it's okay. I'm still here. But this is the end of my 22-month loc update. Yeah, this is the end of my 22-month loc update video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit the notification bell if you want to see my face a little bit more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.